Today is gonna be called Shark on Wire 2, which is we found this packet capture, recovered a flag that was pilfered from the network. So if we download the document, we download this PCAP. So if we just open this PCAP right away, maybe it'll generate something. So yeah, it's opening something up on Wireshark. So how do we solve this challenge? So this challenge is a bit more different than what we're used to, because as you see right here, we get a bunch of data, and I'll put remind me later. We get a bunch of data right here. So I guess the main thing that you want to focus on is we found this package recorded file was pilfered from the network. So this is pilfered from the network. So what do we do here? Like, what can we do? I guess is a thing that we want to ask ourselves. So with challenges like these, you want to be at least have an idea of what you want to be able to do. So we know the length of these is like 60. Source and destination. Destination is this number right here, and then there's always a destination port. Source dest port. Destination port 88. And if you keep on clicking on any of these, we see that there's always, I guess, numbers right here. But though, I guess what we want to be able to look at is like if we order it by protocol, we get, let's see, we first get a bunch of ARP commands, we get a bunch of TCP, and we get a bunch of UDP. So I looked at previous challenges because I had no idea how to solve this, because there was really not that much hints on how to solve this. And the hint that I found online was that basically someone figured out if you're able to filter out by port, so UDP dot port is equal to 22, or UDP port is 22. UDP port. So now with this, we only focuses on anything that has a UDP port. A UDP port, or I guess des port UDP, and I think you can use port dest dst. UDP port. I guess this shows it, but from what I got told, that you could probably filter out using T-Shark. So what we could do is probably open up our web shell right here, and it says Shark on Wire 2. Yeah. So what we could do here is copy this link right here, copy link, and go over here. So we'll do wget name of the file, and from here on we could just run something like T-Shark, which I'm pretty sure this has. Yeah, T-Shark. I think we could run T-Shark and then the name of the file. So T-Shark and then /r for recursive, and then the name of the file that we want to capture, which it, in our case, is capture PCAP. And then we could do filter out by fields. And this is what someone did before I did. So -e, and the filter would be UDP port, UDP dot port /y, and then we'll just do UDP dot port is equal to 22, and I think this should do. Yeah, so I guess someone figured out that if you ignore 22 and you only focus on, like, I guess this part of the side of the numbers and get the first 3 digits, it's basically hex values that you could later use to, I guess, solve this challenge. So and that's what we're gonna do. So we just probably capture this and put this on like what do you call it? Probably ChatGPT. So we'll put this. ChatGPT. Take out the 22. And then after that, remove the 5. After that, no. The first. Okay, now we got that list. So now if we copy this and then go on like Cyber Chef, I think we could do into ASCII. Then from Hex, nope. Magic. So, I think from decimal. From decimal. Delimiter. It was something like this. Let's check this out. I was learning how to do this right now. This is gonna take a while. Let me figure it out. Oh wait, so from line feed, I guess. Control Z. We just type new line feed. Oh, right here, PicoCTF pillar data. So we just copy this. This should work. So yeah, it's a pretty weird challenge because I guess they want, and that's why it's pretty sure it's low rated too. Because if you look at the challenge distance itself, it has like 39%. So something like, depending how you like it, there's no hints at all to make you reach to that point. So I can see why people didn't like it. So we just copy this PicoCTF and then submit it. We should get a solve. And we did. So yeah, pretty easy challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.